there. How you doing? A very good evening. I'm Justine Kapani, back in action, back in full swing, with my throat a lot better. I guess intercity travel did something and worked wonders on my throat and stuff. For of course the pollution being less and the city being cleaner and fresher and stuff. I am Jasleen Kapani, the founder and CEO of setup in Delhi NCR called I'm DEKOR and DESIGN. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying and customizing home and office decor and interior solutions. So I hope you're all well and I hope you're all good. And firstly, a quick cheers on this refreshing cup of quality, sophisticated chai. This is one of my favorites. The best for good chi, good energy, channelizing everything in you at the end of the day and refreshing you up and stuff and all that. And of course, it adds this, uh, feeling good component to your day at whatever time and whatever part of the weekend stuff. So, when you're in the business of designing, supplying, and manufacturing, and conceptualizing, and doing a lot of talking, there are two things which work very well for people like me. We're creative, we are thinkers and stuff, and chai coffee works the best, and different industries have different offerings and stuff. So, when you're in a fun place and stuff, some offices offer you alcohol also. You're allowed to drink and party and stuff. And you have all these interesting parties on the balconies. That's what advertising and branding is all about. And it's also because the trend is to transform your workplace into a fun place where people look forward to coming in and being creative and stuff. A lot of people have new ideas like even billiard tables and stuff, and they have these gyms and they have nap rooms and they have coffee rooms and carom boards and stuff like that. So, what is the idea? The idea is basically to create fun and happiness and joy in your place of work and not stay. I use the word disturbed state of mind because looking at the news and views and how some people talk and some people behave, you know, uh, some people, I mean, genuinely, even if they're feeling good, are going to kind of get affected by it because they're dealing with disturbed people and stuff. Okay, so this has been a great week also because the good news or the great news is that I've been awarded with I've been awarded an award, which is a national level award. It's called Viksit Bharat Abhiyan. So this is under the Viksit Bharat 2025. 50 people from all over the country got it. I believe lakhs of profiles were submitted and stuff. I got an email. I submitted it, so I received that. So I want to thank everybody who's been supporting me and praying for me. Most important, because it's very important. For prayers because they work the best than anything else. I believe that because I'm a spiritual person, I'm not religious and stuff. So a big thank you to everybody who's been supporting me through their prayers and through their kindness and through their support and everything and all, especially my Buddhism group and people all over the world, and those who've been checking on me and stuff, and those who've been patiently bearing with me. And when I've been backing out of events or debates or exhibitions and stuff because I mean, health is most important, and I mean, if you're not feeling up to it, you don't want to go, right? So now, coming back to the point, the point is, what was your award all about? So the award was all about leadership, visionary work, a positive impact, change, and everything. And this was at a function in Chandigarh, organized at CGC. So CGC is the Chandigarh University and stuff. And a lot of people don't know this, but my roots are actually originally from Punjab, Patiala, and part of my upbringing has been in Chandigarh. So these places are very close to me and stuff. My father was a pilot with the Indian Air Force, so he was posted in Chandigarh. So this award was very special, and more or less dedicated to him, because this is a city where he flew the maximum, and I had an amazing childhood, education, and the best of memories with my cousins, and a lot of friends and family and everything and all